Good afternoon, dear friends. Today I am back with a special Sindhi recipe for seafood lovers. We are going to make Sindhi Machi Pulao or fish pulao. Both the pulao and the fish are made with a lot of caramelized onion paste, which is called Daag in Sindhi. Now Daag takes a long time to make because we have to fry the onions on medium flame until they get brown and caramelized, then add ginger, garlic, tomato, green chillies and water to cook it, simmer it, and then use it for the fish and the pulao. So today's video I'll be sharing a short clip because the entire process may take a long time and the video will be too long. So you can just have a look at the video that I've already posted. You will find the link in the description box. And this combo is really amazing. The seer fish is very good, perfect for this curry because it has got firm flesh and it doesn't break easily. It's got only the center bone. So whenever you get seer fish, surmai fish, do give this pulao a try. I'm sure you're going to love it. This is very popular among Sindhis. They love this pulao, and mostly Sunday afternoon lunch is machi jo pulao. Heavenly. So do give it a try. For your reference, ingredients list is shared in the description box. Check it out. Marinate the fish with salt and set it aside. Let's make daag first. This is caramelized onion paste which is used in most of the Sindhi recipes. In a pressure cooker, heat half cup oil. I know it's too much, but we require so much for making daag. Onion also is 1 kilo. This fish and pulao both are made in caramelized onion, so we require daag for both of them. Saute the onion until it is golden brown, which takes a very long time. I'm recording this in fast forward motion. You can check out my detailed video on how to make daag, because this video will be very long if I show the complete process here. Now once it is brown, add 4 to 5 tomatoes, 2 tablespoons of garlic, 1 tablespoon of ginger, 2 or 3 green chillies. Give it a nice mix and add water, 2 cups of water. Earlier our parents never used pressure cooker, they used to simmer this. Nowadays we are using all kinds of gadgets in the kitchen. Cook for 2 or 3 whistles. If you are cooking in a pan, then you have to simmer for 10 to 12 minutes. Open the lid after releasing the pressure. Now daag is ready. We have to just blend it. I'm using a stick blender or hand blender. This was also done with mandiyaro in earlier days. Daag is ready. Now we are going to make the fish curry. In Sindhi we call it radhala machi or daag Wari machi. To make fish curry, take a wide bottomed pan. That's always better. This way the fish will not break. You can turn it easily. Add 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil. Half teaspoon of turmeric powder. 1 teaspoon of coriander powder. Half teaspoon of cumin powder. Half teaspoon of chilli powder. If you like spicy food, you can increase the quantity of chilies. Keep the flame low and saute the spices. Now add daag. About 3/4 quantity goes into the fish. Remaining will be kept for pulao. Saute it a bit so that the spices are all incorporated into it. Now rinse the marinated fish pieces very nicely and then add them to the pan. I'm using Seer fish. You can use any fish that has got firm flesh. Carefully saute the fish pieces, turning the side gently. We have to handle the fish very gently because it breaks easily. Now cover and simmer it for a minute. Open the lid, again saute it a bit. Now we can add water for the gravy as much as you like. Some like thick gravy, some like very thin gravy, so add accordingly. I have added about 2 cups of water. Now we are going to let this simmer for a few minutes. Check the salt and add if required. Initially I added little bit along with the spices. It's always better to add less and then check it out later. After adding salt, shake it this way so that the salt get mixed up. Take the gravy in the ladle and pour it over the fish pieces. Add some more spices now. Coriander and cumin powders little bit, as much as you like. Some like more spices, some do not like. And finally garam masala, half teaspoon. Some coriander leaves. Finally we are going to simmer it until done. Half a minute is enough. Fish doesn't take very long time. Delicious fish curry is ready. Now we are making pulao, also known as Bhuga Chaanwara. This can be paired with mutton curry and sai bhaji also. Now first we are going to crush these spices for the pulao. We have fennel seeds, cumin seeds, coriander seeds, black peppercorns, cloves, black cardamom, green cardamoms, bay leaves, cinnamon stick and star anise 1 piece. So remove the bay leaves, cinnamon stick, star anise and rest of the spices go into the pestle and mortar. We need to crush them lightly. Always make this fresh just before making the pulao. This way you will get very nice and fragrant spice mix. It's best to use pestle and mortar because in the mixie always when you even pulse it, it becomes powdery. Oh, this is done. We have a nice flavorful coarsely ground mixture, spice mixture for the pulao. Now let's proceed to make the pulao. Heat 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil in a handi. You may also use sipri if you have. And 1 teaspoon of ghee, which enhances the flavors. Now add this crushed spices into the oil. On low flame, keep stirring it until they change color and give out a nice aroma. Add little bit of turmeric, about 3 to 4 pinches, half teaspoon of coriander powder, quarter teaspoon of cumin powder, little bit of chili powder to your taste. If you like more, you may increase it. Saute on low flame. This way the spices give out lovely flavor. Now add the onion paste, the remaining onion paste, and saute them together so that the flavors are infused into it. Now we are going to add the rice. I have washed and soaked the rice for 1 hour. This is 2.5 cups of rice. Add salt to taste. Saute them. Add few mint leaves if you have them. These really enhance the flavor of the pulao. And some coriander leaves. Saute until the moisture is dried up. That's why this pulao is also called Bhuga Chaanwara. Sauteing is called bhunyan in Sindhi. Now add water. Use the same cup that you have measured rice with. I'm adding 4.5 cups of water for 2.5 cups of rice. Normally it should be double, but if you need a grainy texture, then add little less than double. Give it a gentle stir. Check the salt. It's very important. The salt should be perfect. Add if required. Now we'll cover and let the rice cook. In between, open the lid and gently mix them. Now the water is almost absorbed by the rice. At this stage, place a tawa and the pan goes on top of it. This is called keeping on dum. Cover the pan with a foil paper so that the flavors are sealed. After 6 to 8 minutes, check it. Oh wow, flavorful, so flavorful. Now using a back of the spoon, mix it gently. This is a tip, not to break the rice. Perfect, flavorful pulao is ready. Now let's dish it out. This is the way we Sindhis actually serve the machi and pulao. Take a wider dish, serving platter, and spread the pulao. Now we are going to place the fish pieces over it. Pour little bit of gravy, not too much, just few ladlefuls. The remaining gravy will be kept on the side in a dish separately. I hope you all will like this Sindhi style machi jo pulao. Do share your feedback. Thank you for watching. Check out these videos from the archives as well. Take care and have a nice day.